Hello everyone, this is Sivagami from SNS College of Engineering as I am an assistant professor in the Department of AI Ideas. Today we are going to learn about the topic of Java applets. Applet is a special type of Java program that is embedded in the web page to generate the dynamic contents. It runs inside the browser and works at the client side. It works at the client side, so less response time. It's very secure. It can be executed by the browsers running under many platforms including Linux, Windows, Macs, OS, etc. What is meant by applet? An applet is a Java class that extends the java.applet.applet class. A main method is not invoked on an applet, and an applet class will not define the main function. Applets are designed to be embedded with the HTML page. When a user views an HTML page that contains an applet, the code for the applet is downloaded to the user mechanism. Then we are going to learn about the applet lifecycle. Applet is initialized. Applet is started. Applet is painted. Applet is stopped. Applet is destroyed. In this initialization, we have to declare the methods and variables in applet initialization, and then the control is going to the started method. In this started method, the applet is start running. Then next, we are going to use the paint method for the draw the circle and then squares and then the shapes, and we have to painting also used to paint the shapes also, and then stop method. Stop method used to stop the running applet program. Destroy method. The destroy method used to destroy the applet in the memory. Next, applet init method. This method is initiated for whenever initialization is needed your applet. It is called as param tags inside the applet tag has been processed. Start method. This method is automatically called after the browser calls the init method. It is also called whenever the user returns to the page containing the applet after having gone off to the pages. The stop method. This method is automatically called when the user moves of the pages on the which of the applet sits. It can therefore be called repeatedly in the same applet. Destroy method. This method is only called when the browser shut down normally, because applets are made on live on the HTML pages. You should not normally leave resources behind after a user leaves the page that contains the applet. Then the paint method. Paint invoked immediately after the start method and also any time the applet needed to repeat itself in the browser. The paint method is automatically inherited from the java.awt. Here we give an example program for applet. Import java.applet.applet and then import java.awt.graphics. Public class first extends applet. The both are the packages, applet packages, and then public class first extends. First is the class name, extends from applet class. Okay, applet class is a super class. Public void paint graphics GG is the object. G.drawString welcome 150 close. Then we have to write a HTML program. HTML body applet code equal to first.class width equal to 300, height equal to 300. Then you have to put a one slash before the applet. It's used to close the applet. Then we are going to learn about the topic is Swing. Swing in the Java is part of the Java Foundation class, which is lightweight and platform independent. It is used for create a window-based application. It includes components like a button, scroll bar, text field, etc. Putting together all these components makes a graphical user interface. Defined in package javax.swing. Original GUI components from AWT in Java.awt. Heavyweight components rely on local platforms windowing system for looking at field. Swing components are lightweight, not weighted down by GUI capabilities of platform, more portable than heavyweight components. Swing components allow the programmer to specify look and feel, can change depending on the platform, can be same across all platform. Here we give us swing packages java.lang.object and then java.aw.components and then java.aw.container, then java.swing.jComponents. Then swing. Component defines method used in its class, for example paint and repaint. Container collect all related components when the JV frame add components to the component pan. J components. Superclass 2 most swing components. Then in here we give a flowchart for the swing process. Thank you everyone.